Are you supposed to clean, disinfect, clean again?
Again, it's added about residue removal in Annex 1 without giving you any meat to the bones. It doesn't tell you how you're supposed to do it, at what frequency you're supposed to do it. And this is where your environmental monitoring, your visual ability to look at your clean room comes into it. So would you clean, disinfect and clean again? I wouldn't, otherwise you'd probably be spending most of your manufacturing time cleaning and disinfection and cleaning within your facility. So the important thing is disinfecting visibly clean surfaces. If you remember, there's no validated method for detecting residues on surfaces within the clean room environment. So it's that visible ability to look at the surfaces. If they're visibly clean with no residue buildup, you can apply another level of disinfectant. Now, is it important, in my opinion, to remove that potential residue sooner rather than later? I would be erring on the side of yes, because it is that prevention is better than cure argument that we have, or at least statement that we make. But rather clean, disinfect and clean again, no. I would be ensuring that you're disinfecting to clean surfaces. If those surfaces are starting to become more built up with residue, then you need to ensure you have that residue removal stage before the next disinfection.